Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissa's Nails Clicks. I have an Ipsy bag to share with you guys, and this is the March subscription. So let's see, I have the bag here. I just cut it open. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Okay, so on the outside of the bag is this beautiful fanned brush. And I do have a set similar to this. Let me share it with you guys before we move on. I keep it in this see-through red bag. I have this brush here. I love these, they're so pretty. And then I have this set here. I do have I think it's one or two more of the larger ones that I use. I keep them out next to my makeup. These have the mermaid like fish bottoms on them, where this one doesn't. This one has like a rounded bottom, and the color is slightly different. Mine has white and purple, and this has the blue and purple. Isn't that pretty? So that'll go really well with the set that I already have. So that's awesome. I don't know if that's an extra or they just added that on the outside so it won't get damaged. Not too sure yet, so let's check that out. Stick these back in the bag. Yes, so that's very cool. I love the colors. So we have a little fan brush. Okay, so here's the bag. Isn't that cute? With the little red trim here. I feel like this should have been for Black History Month, because I love how it has like the white and the black all mixed in. Maybe you can color it or something. I don't know if that's why they leave it this way. But that's awesome. I love the bag. I feel like it should be like an awareness month bag. So let's check out what's inside. And this says Create Ipsy March 2018. Very cool. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. And that's awesome. It has you know, starting points. What it says this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. Yeah, so I guess they do want you to color it in. Very cool. So get out there, be creative. Logan and I are always trying to be as creative as we can with things, and I love how it has this in pink, the Ipsy little sign in there. Okay, so let's see what's first in the bag. First thing I pull out is called Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin. Pure Cloud Cream with Arctic berries and peptides. That's cool. It says after cleansing, smooth over face and throat. So it's a moisturizer. Let me see what it smells like. It does have the protective seal, so let's peel it off. Let's see what it smells like. I'm just rubbing it on my finger to see what it... Not really much for smell. No smell at all, really. Yeah, which is nice. I don't know. I don't like when they're too smelly, especially if you use it at night. So that is the first thing, a little moisturizer to try. Oh, and here's the markers for coloring in the bag. I have a yellow, well, it's kind of an orange and a green. And it says even hashtag Ipsy Create. That's cool. I like that they added their hashtag on the markers. And here is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Bigger, Better Voluming Mascara. Ooh, I always like trying new mascaras. I'm like a lashaholic. I like my natural lashes, so I try on lots of different mascaras and curlers, and because I like defining my eyes a lot. but I don't like wearing like tons of makeup. I'm trying to open it. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. And yeah, so I like to play up my natural eyelashes. Ooh, this is very, very flexible, and it goes kind of like a cone shape. See it? It is larger here, and it goes more almost to a point, but not quite. But we'll try that one out. It's called Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, and I think that is in black. Let me see if it says anywhere. Big Slim Packed brush. Streamlined for big volume with 360-degree reach. Am I missing the color anywhere? Maybe it says it on the mascara itself. No, I'm sure it's just black. But I'm surprised because usually they at least state like blackest black or something, you know. But it's definitely not brown, so it's black, which is good because that's usually what I go for. Ooh, a lipstick, and this is Mellow, and this is in Nude. Ooh, I don't have many nude lipsticks. I think I have maybe one or two. One is more of a lip gloss than a lipstick. And I think it's a MAC lipstick that I have. So let's just open this up. Okay. I don't know. You guys can tell me in the comments what you think. This reminds me of like a personal like travel vibrator. That's what I thought it was. I was like, uh-oh. But no, it's not. It's a lipstick. Get your head out of the gutter, Melissa. Ooh, look at how cute. They even put in their little Mellow little imprint on the lipstick itself. That's cool. Do you see it? Very neat. And it's not that like nude looking, actually. Let me put it on. It's more pinky than I was expecting. Isn't it? Very, very pretty though. I love that color. But yeah, that's the lipstick that they gave me. It's a full size, and that is Nude. It's a matte lipstick. Very nice. I like that. Very pretty. I'll have to try that on later. And then I have a mint balm called from Glossier. It's a 7 mLs, 0.24 fluid ounces. Universal Skin Salve. Mintbalm.com. And that's what that is. Let's see if it has a minty smell to it. It doesn't have the little plastic or try to squeeze that out. Mint Balm Skin Salve. Huh? It's not like for lips, I guess. It's for skin. So I'll just rub it around. Ooh, very minty. It smells nice. Not too much. Not like, what am I thinking? Not like a vapor rub mint. It's like a nice mint. Like a gum minty. Like a minty gum smell. That's nice. That's by Glossier. And I think that might be it. Yep. That is my Ipsy bag, guys. Some great products that I received. I'm excited to try out this fan brush. And I'm not sure if I'll color this in. I kind of like it, the black and white look. But yeah, I've been using the bags for lots of different things. Holding some travel items when we travel. Holding some of Logan's like random toys and stuff. And if we're going to somebody's house or something, I'll have him fill up a bag with some Legos or toys. So yeah, I've been making use of all these bags that I've been getting. And yeah, so that is my Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.